Welcome to one of Tehran's hidden historical treasures, the Negarestan Garden Museum. Located in the heart of the city, this beautiful complex is more than just a museum. It is a living piece of Iranian history, art, and culture. The story of Negarestan Garden begins in the early 19th century. In 1807, during the reign of Fath Ali Shah Qajar, this elegant garden was built as a summer residence and ceremonial palace. The architectural style of the buildings reflects the charm of the Qajar era, with tall wooden doors, delicate ornaments, and spacious halls that were once used for royal gatherings. The central building of the garden is surrounded by tall trees, peaceful pathways, and calm courtyards that make visitors feel like they've stepped back in time. Inside, the complex includes more than 60 rooms, 4 grand halls, a historic library, and several beautiful salons decorated with mirror work, golden designs, and antique chandeliers. 2 of the most famous halls are the Delgasha Hall and the Galamdan Hall, each named for the artistic themes and decorations they showcase. These halls were once venues for important royal meetings, celebrations, and official receptions. Today, Negarestan Garden has been carefully restored and is managed by the University of Tehran. It now serves as a vibrant cultural center, displaying valuable artworks, historical documents, and masterpieces of Iranian painting. One of its highlights is the impressive Mirror Hall, where Persian craftsmanship shines in every corner. Visitors from around the world come here to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, explore the museum collections, and walk through the charming garden paths that have witnessed more than 2 centuries of history. Whether you are interested in architecture, art, or simply a quiet place to relax in the middle of Tehran, Negarestan Garden offers a unique and unforgettable experience.
Filled with fireflies, you gaze at me with open eyes. The night is falling soft and deep. It's time for you to go to sleep.
As you watch this video, imagine the elegant celebrations that once took place here, the artists who painted in these rooms, and the kings who walked these same paths. Negarestan Garden is not only a historical site, it is a window into Iran's cultural soul. Enjoy your visit to the Negarestan Garden Museum.